What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer. There are people watching me. I feel so awkward. Today, I'm doing another Thrift With Me video for some back-to-school themed clothing. I also want to give a huge shout out to Savers for sponsoring this video. It's kind of insane because currently I'm at Valley Village. It might be called Savers or Valley Village depending on where you live. I have literally been shopping at this specific Valley Village since I was like 10 years old. So I can't believe they even know who I am. So today I'm just here to show you guys that you can find some litty clothing options at the thrift store. Let's go. It's mine. Hello. Oh my god, everyone's watching me. I flocked straight to the boys section because the boys section always has my favorite stuff and I always get the most out there. Also, wanna address something. You guys always tell me in the comments that like, excuse me? You guys always tell me in the comments like, my thrift stores never have cute stuff. Like, you always seem to find the cutest stuff. But honestly, not with that attitude. I think it's a matter of perspective. Like, you just have to keep a very, very open mind when you're thrifting, because I feel like at the thrift store you can find so many unique items that you normally wouldn't find at regular retail stores. And that's kind of the point, just to like broaden your range of clothes that you wear and your style. Now that I have gone thrifting, I always think outside of the box. I feel like my style has really improved and it's definitely more unique than it was before. I feel so freaking awkward. And come on, where else are you gonna find an iFlub t-shirt? Tell me that this isn't the best shirt you've ever seen. I'm weird. Okay, so I'm just gonna start looking around now, and to get me into the mood and get me inspired, I like to put in some music into my ears. Can I speak properly? Anyway. Like a traffic cone. I mean, the color is kind of cute and it's only $1. I almost dropped you guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys are set up right now. This thing could fall at any second. When you have cadets at 6, but prom at 8. Okay, I am now in the changing room. I have so much stuff, but I want to show you guys my outfit. Just a white crop top and some jean shorts. When you're going thrifting, you always want to wear kind of a basic outfit, just so that when you pair it with other stuff, it won't look weird. Okay, hear me out. First of all, this doesn't fit. It's like too small. I can't even zip it up at the back. But if it did fit, I would have gotten it. Not to wear like this, but here's how I would have thrift flipped it, just so that you guys can get some inspiration. I would have either cut it short, made the tulle a little bit longer than the slip dress inside, and just made it like an A-line type skirt. Or I would cut it even shorter, maybe to like here, and it would be like a baby doll Ariana type of shirt. I would also remove these sequins. Keep your mind open. I know this looks like a prom dress, but it can be made to look like an everyday type of item. The issue I have with this is I really like the pattern, but the style of the shirt is kind of not it. Okay, I found this like 80s, 90s style shirt, but I can't tell if it makes me look like I'm 14 or not, but it's still kind of cute. Like if I crop it like that, tie it up, it's very summer vibe. Okay, what is going on? I feel like I look like an astronaut, but like summer mode. I do have to say though, without the top part, just as pants, these are pretty cute. It's for a video. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hello guys, obviously I'm back home now. Also, I feel like I kind of look stupid with this hairstyle, but I don't even care at this point. I think it's cool. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Value Village, and I'm very proud of the stuff that I found. I'm excited, so let's get started. I got a lot of stuff. Okay, so you guys know that the whole Visco girl trend is, first of all, very confusing, but also I'm kind of into it. So a lot of Visco girls are wearing tie-dye stuff, oversized tees. So this is an oversized tie-dye tee. I think this is honestly something that someone made at a summer camp. And okay, I feel like I look really stupid with this hair. I'm gonna take these clips off. Anyway, this was only $2.49. Another thing that I found in the men's section is this graphic tee. It has a skull on it, but it's a map of somewhere. It's very, very soft. I know that a lot of people, including me, like that really soft type of t-shirt, that kind of like worn-in feel that some retail stores might sell, but thrift stores have actual worn-in clothes, so it's pre-softened for you. And you get to save money and save the environment at the same time, so like, why not, you know? This would be really cute to tuck into some jeans or tied up into a knot. So this one was $3.49. Okay, so next up I got another t-shirt, and I feel like the theme of this video is t-shirts. That's what I chose to focus on because I feel like they fit for back to school. They're very comfy, do not require a lot of effort. Whenever I go to that Valley Village, I literally can never look through all the sections because there are so like thousands of items to look through. So I always choose to just hone in on one section and get all of the best pieces that I can. Yeah, anyway, so I got this shirt. It's also a tie-dye type of feel. I think this is from the women's section though. I think this is really cute. It's more form-fitting than the previous shirts. Yes. It is a shirt. And this one was $4.99. Okay, another t-shirt that I got was this one. Okay, here's the thing. I feel like it looks like an Easter egg. I was like, you know what? It kind of looks cute, kind of reminds me of the 90s. So I tried it on and I actually think it looks pretty cute. It's a very spring style shirt, but it'll be interesting to try to style this for the rest of summer going into back to school. This one was $4.99. Okay, I got another t-shirt. Are we surprised? No! Because I literally told you I got a lot of t-shirts. Okay, I got this just basic gray salt and pepper t-shirt. This one is definitely more form-fitting. I don't have a basic gray tee. I'm trying to get more basics into my closet because I have a lot of like graphic stuff, and when I see a plain shirt, I'm like, I want to paint on it. Basics are very important, especially for back to school when you're feeling lazy and you don't know how to put together an outfit. And this little guy was $4.99. Here's the next item. This is clearly full-on gingham. When I mean full-on, I mean like very long. It is a maxi skirt. This length is questionable for me. I know that long skirts are in right now, but I don't know if I'm fully on that long skirt train. I feel like I need to alter this somehow, so look for this in a future thrift flip. Looks like a picnic blanket, but that's kind of a vibe. And this little guy was $8.49. Next is probably the coolest thing that I've ever thrifted in my entire life, and that is this jacket. Okay, so this is very like 80s and 90s vibes. Okay, so here's the story behind this. When I was in the fitting room, these two girls were coming out and they had this jacket and they were debating whether or not to get it. They're trying it on. I was like, oh my gosh, that looks so cute on them. They must be getting it. But when I came out of the fitting room, I saw it on the rack. I snatched it up real quick. It's very swishy also, but I just think this looks so cool. I already have a jean jacket, which I pretty much wear every day, that I also thrifted, but I don't have any cool jackets, and I definitely think that this will spice up my wardrobe. Very excited about this. This one was $14.49, which is a little bit on the pricier side of thrift stores, but I think that compared to retail stores that sell this kind of stuff right now, it's like probably at least $60 less. Very excited for this. And oh, I forgot to mention, today, August 17th, that I'm uploading this video, is National Thrift Shop Day. So happy National Thrift Shop Day. And in honor of that, Savers is actually launching the first ever Thrifty Awards, which when I heard about that, I was like, that's pretty cool. I mean, I think it's awesome to promote thrifting and all the things that come along with that. It's a very fun and easy way to help out the environment and save a ton of money. I feel like a lot of people don't understand why it's helping the environment. It's because when you buy clothes at retail stores, there's a lot of carbon emission and pollution going on in that process. If you think about it, when you're creating creating fabric in a factory. There's a ton of emissions coming out from that factory. You need to transport that. Maybe that's from overseas. And then you have the factories creating the actual clothes, and that's just a whole bunch of carbon dioxide and water usage to clean the clothes and all that kind of stuff. If you also buy online, it'll get shipped to you or get shipped to the stores. There's just a bunch of stuff going on there. So when you're thrifting, you kind of bypass all of that because the clothing is already made and whoever's buying it is just giving it a whole new life. So that was just a whole rant about why thrifting is awesome. After that whole big spiel, the next item is this cardigan. This is like the heaviest cardigan that I've ever felt. Even the lady who was checking me out, oh no, not checking me out, but like checking the clothes out, she even was like, this is so heavy, and it really is. So I feel like this will be really good for the fall season when I'm trying to keep cozy, because y'all know I live in Canada. It's a little cold up in here. I haven't worn cardigans in a long time and I kind of want them to come back. I actually found this in the large section and it is a size large. So just a reminder that you can find a ton of stuff even if it's not in your size section. And this cardigan was $9.99. Next, this next shirt is this little guy. So I think I tried this on at the thrift store. This is like a tank top type of thing. It's very... Yes. I feel like this is a very interesting shirt because it looks very modern looking, as in it's trendy now, but a bunch of its features are not modern. So look for this also in a future thrift flip. I don't have anything like this, so I'm really excited to add this to my wardrobe. And this little guy was $4.49. And the last thing that I got was this really, really cool cropped sweater. I have never seen something like this before. It's this burnt orange color. It has these curly buttons going down the middle. It also cinches in at the bottom. It has a tie. It's very grandma vibes, but kind of modern grandma vibes, and I really, really like it. I've never seen like a tie bottom sweater before, so I'm really excited to wear this, especially for the fall season. I feel like I kind of look like Mrs. Claus, but also a pumpkin at the same time. But I'm kind of excited for that. This guy was $9.49. Those are all the things that I thrifted from Value Village / Savers. I had a lot of fun thrifting, finding really cool items. Thank you so much again to Savers for sponsoring this video. You guys are the best, and I am still fangirling. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, if you want to see how I end up styling all these things, make sure to go to my Instagram at JENerationDIY to keep up on what's poppin' outfit-wise. And shout out of the week is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday.